My name's Eric Small. This video is one of a set of short tutorials directed towards the new Cinema 4D user. These tutorials will be brief overviews of various aspects and concepts within the software. There's another menu right here. This one is the generator menu within Cinema 4D. This is using tools that will take the geometry that you have in your scene and generate something else with it. For example, if we have a cube and with one subdivision on all surfaces, and we create a subdivision surface. We place the cube beneath the subdivision surface, and now we see that we subdivide every face of the polygon one time by default. We can increase this to 2 or 3. And we see that this produces a rounding effect, taking what was a perfect cube and bringing it down into a sphere shape. This is just one type of generator. We also have the ability to use something called the atom array. If we take the cube and we place it as a child of the generator, we see now that all the lines of the cube now have the cylinder, and all of the vertices of the cube have a sphere on them. So if we were to increase the segments of this cube, we see that we're getting a much more detailed lattice work generated by the atom array. Generators are always placed above as parents of geometry. Conversely, as we were talking previously, the deformers need to be placed as children of the geometry to be deformed.